Hello, students and clients. Welcome back to the NMSE Learning Systems YouTube channel. In partnership with HECdistribution.com, right products, great price, goals met, and SEI Global's Logicom and Opportunity Manager online software tools. How to sell to the Defense Logistics Agency, also known as the DLA. My name is Kiwi Hendricks. I am the DLA guru, and I will be your lead consultant in today's high-level training exercise.
Hi, and welcome to our platform. We are in pursuit of 1,000 new subscribers to our YouTube channel, and we'd appreciate your assistance by liking and subscribing to our channel so the DLA Guru can reach a greater audience and provide you with more video hacks and valuable content on how to work from home and make money with the U.S. federal government today.
Today, we'll be covering recommended DLA contracting tools by answering the question, what is a credit reference as it relates to businesses? Credit reference is basically your ability to obtain vendor accounts by way of credit references. One vendor will support you being able to obtain credit with another vendor. I recommend the NMS two-step or the simple two-step process to building your vendor base by way of vendor credit references. Step one will be organizing your banking and vendor credit references. Your vendor credit references are basically your vendor's ability to communicate the relationship duration that you've had with their organization. They will also communicate your payment history by way of your account numbers that you establish with their organization, the payment amounts that they bestow upon to you. That is the total line of credit that they offer to your organization, and then the debt that you've accrued over the period of time that you've had the relationship with them, and your propensity to pay on time. All this information is basically saved within their credit department, and it will be information that's provided to another vendor that you may be wanting to establish a line of credit with. This banking and credit reference should be summarized sort of like a business resume, where you'll have one sheet that has all the related businesses that you've established credit references with. That will also entail your banking and miscellaneous info, that is like your Dun & Bradstreet number, your federal tax ID number, as well as your business bank account information, so that a new vendor that you're applying for credit has a one-stop shop type resume where they can go and be able to do a background check on your organization. It just helps with the process of that vendor being able to establish a new line of credit to your organization as you request it. This particular template that you see on screen is also available via HEC distribution. There's a link in the description below if you're interested in obtaining a copy of this particular template for your use in your organization. Step two entails how to request your credit references from your established vendor base. Your established vendor base communicates with your new vendor sources. And this is a great opportunity to kind of talk a little bit about how businesses talk to one another. Good news travels fast, but bad news travels even faster. So you want to make sure that you're nurturing and protecting your vendor base that you have established lines of credit with by always communicating with your sales rep at that particular vendor's organization. You want to make sure that you know who your credit manager is, so that if there are any issues that you may foresee with a delay, you may have something that happens within a particular contract where there's something that's delayed from your payment. There's an issue with payment or something of that nature from your contracting agency that you're working with, that you're communicating all of that information to the people on the other side, that is the vendor base. So business communication definitely benefits your business, because people do business with people. people that like you do business with you, you see. And so you want to do a very good job at protecting the relationships that you have with your established vendor base, because when you're looking to increase your vendor base, you want to lean on those established lines of business or those vendors so that they can speak very highly and help to communicate your business to new vendors, because vendors trust the references from other vendors. Typically, there is a way that we internally will reach out to our established vendors by way of email, where we'll ask them to assist us in providing our credit information to new vendors that we may be looking to establish lines of credit with. And especially if the vendors that we have the established line of credit does not report our credit history to Dun & Bradstreet. And so it's very important that you learn how to communicate in that way to those vendors. We actually have a template for how to effectively communicate with your vendors by way of email and or phone calls. And there is a template link in the description below that can assist you if you're interested in obtaining that type of information to help grow your vendor base for your organization. Well, this will more or less conclude today's overview of the NMS two-step process in establishing great lines of communication in order to build your vendor base and to display that information and summarize it and provide it to new vendors that you're interested in establishing lines of credit with. We're in the process of increasing our subscribership, and so that our message and our content has the ability to reach new business owners who are interested in learning more about how to do business with the U.S. federal government and the Defense Logistics Agency. So I really appreciate for all of the views that we're receiving. We're not getting a lot of subscribers, and to subscribe doesn't cost you anything. It's just basically hitting the subscribe button, the like button, and by all means, and to share this information with other businesses that you are doing business with, or friends or family members that may be looking for a new opportunity to change their lives and to get involved in the federal contracting arena. Your subscriptions definitely matter to us. It basically is a great motivator. It lets us know that all the views that are out there, that our content is definitely appreciated, and it's helping to empower your organization to grow as it relates to some of the GovCon hacks and the tools that are available via the YouTube space to assist your companies into growing. And so your subscription is value to us. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means a great deal to us. So really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and by all means, if you have any comments and you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment in the comment section below. I typically respond to any and all comments that we receive. And I look forward to doing more content like this as time goes on. And thanks again for watching. Students and clients, this concludes today's high-level video training exercise. If you have any direct questions regarding today's content, please by all means leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I will be sure to respond to you as soon as possible. If you have any related video topics relating to federal contracting and or doing business specifically with the DLA, by all means, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will take a look. And if that's a video I think I could cover, I will do my best to provide that content in a timely manner. If you're interested in a more directed one-on-one contracted consultation with yours truly, the DLA Guru, you can reach me at fed.contracting@nmsupply.com, and I will respond to you to align my schedule with yours so that I can work to help to empower you on being successful with the DLA. Again, the NMS eLearning Systems channel was put together with you in mind. I have 20 years of experience in doing business with the federal government through federal contracting with other agencies, as well as doing business with the DLA. And so I created this channel to empower you for success with the DLA. Hopefully you are taking the content in and it is providing some value and some insight on how you can grow your business with doing business with the DLA. And if you're interested in a higher level, deep dive into doing business with the DLA, I have created an online NMS e-learning systems masterclass. It is 3.5 hours worth of course content that provides you with the tools, step by step, how to get registered, how to get learning about software tools that we use in-house, proprietary software that we also offer to our students and clients, as well as how to position your company and the products that you may be able to offer to the DLA so that you can win DLA supply contracts. It's probably the most lucrative business model that the federal government has, where the barriers to entry are the lowest of any federal contracting agency. And the DLA, as everyone knows, does about $50 billion worth of procurement for the U.S. government on an annual basis. My NMS e-learning systems masterclass is an industry leader in that it covers from A to Z on how to set your company up to position your company to be successful with doing business with the DLA. The link's on the screen, and I'll also provide it in the description below. I urge you to take a look at the NMS e-learning systems masterclass. Well, that will conclude today's overall review, and I hope that you have found success and you're feeling empowered and energetic about doing business with the DLA. Hey, stay in touch, and I'll see you on the other side.